Section 1. Starting foot, left back swivel, left step back, right swivel, right back, left swivel, weight on right, left coaster step, back together, step forward, right foot step forward, walk and walk, triple step, triple walk. Section 1, count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight on right. Section 2, left foot cross, right side, left foot back mambo, forward. Right foot forward recover, quarter turn, side, chasse. Weight on right. Section 2, count 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight on right. Section 3, left foot cross, right foot back and ball cross and right cross shuffle. Left side, side rock, recover, quarter turn left, sailor step. Section 3, count 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight on left. Last section. Section 4. Pivot, half turn, 6 o'clock and quarter turn, side point. Right foot sailor step, behind, side, step, and ball change, step forward walk. Weight on left, anchor step, weight on right. Section 4, count 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight on right. Section 1, 전체 카운트 한번 해보겠습니다. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. Okay. Restart. Forward and 9 o'clock. Count. Left foot. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5, 6, 7 and 8. Weight on right. Restart and back, coaster step. See you.